Hi guys!
Hey y'all!
Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been like weeks since I posted a video. Y'all please do not mind my bonnet.
Yes, and please do not mind my hair because it looks a little crazy.
I owe y'all an explanation as y'all hear my voice. I've been sick still. I just can't seem to get better. But I feel a little better. I mean, my throat's still hoarse. So I decided to do this video for you guys. Today, we are doing, I got some chicken and cheese quesadillas. I made these myself because going to get them from fast food would have been like too much money. I got me a Coke.
And I got a Pepsi. We switched roles today.
Yeah. We really did. And I got me some ranch and some hot sauce right now. Well, I'm about to dig in.
Well, I can't.
Why? Oh, y'all and Mahogany, baby Mahogany, and my sister over there.
Here, boo.
Just
sit right here. You got it. Is that Mal? It's not too hot for her, is it?
No.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. That tastes good with ranch and the hot sauce.
Yeah. You got it. Or you need to sit back some.
So, how has everyone been? I missed you guys. I'm trying to take care of myself. You know, trying to get back better.
Wicked.
Yeah. This one is just a cheese quesadilla. Ooh, look at that cheese.
I ain't mix up my hot sauce.
Oh yeah. I kind of look at mine.
That was good.
Hot sauce kind of getting to me.
Yeah, that's why you ain't mix it up. You got it, boo?
Okay. Is it good? Good.
And I'm hungry.
Yeah. Guys, we are halfway to 100 subscribers. So make sure y'all share these videos because I told you once we hit 100 subscribers, we're going to do the, it's kind of hot. We're going to do the burping challenge.
Is it good? That was a little wet. I said that was a little wet.
Wet burp.
Mine.
I had to search and dig for that one. Okay. This one has, I wish I had some green onions to go in it.
Oh yeah, that would have been good.
With some sour cream.
It's good.
I love quesadillas.
Oh yeah. I never made my own though.
They're easy.
Yeah.
Right, you see? I can make these at home. Instead of pan. Somebody make them.
Yeah!
Ooh, look at that cheese, you guys.
I love cheese. I love quesadillas. Two of my favorite things. If I had to survive and only pick one thing, quesadilla would probably be it. Nah. What would y'all survival food be? If you only had one thing to survive off to live, what would it be?
I think I would take chicken because you could just cook chicken all different types of ways.
True. That's very true. I didn't think about that. I mean, but it ain't. But there's so many ways you can make chicken though.
Yeah.
Barbecue chicken, baked chicken,
Fried chicken.
fried chicken.
I mean, you just like,
My nose stopped up, y'all. Listen.
here. It's falling apart, boo. Here, hold it right here. No? You want to bite? No?
Y'all, look at that. Glorious. Glorious Jesus. I want to try.
You just, okay.
I want to try enchiladas.
Bite.
You ever had enchiladas?
No.
I want to try enchiladas next. I don't even know how
Are
to
they
make them.
easy to make?
From videos that I've seen, they're pretty easy. Put them in this, put the chicken in this, and then you like the chicken filling, and then you kind of roll them up, and then
Oh, okay.
lay them in the pan, and then pour some sauce on top of them.
Oh.
I think I might just make some one day.
It sounds simple enough too.
I know people use that chili, just like a green chili, salsa verde or something like that.
Yeah.
Just cheese. Y'all, we look rough today.
Yes. Lord, I know I do.
I apologize. I just want to put a video out because I know y'all been wondering where I've been.
You know, my phone ain't charged because of you.
Hopefully, I'll be fully recovered in a week or two from being sick. That's just
Yeah, I
weather.
hope so.
This is weather change. One day it's hot, one day it's cold. Like today, what is it right now? This morning it was 20 degrees.
Yes.
What's the weather now?
Hold on.
I know it turned 31 at like 12.
36.
Mm,
Still cold.
36 degrees. That's cold.
Sit down right there.
I know it was freezing. For people who did have to go to work,
Yes.
At
I
like
know they
4.
was freezing.
probably like 6 o'clock in the morning. Man, I would have been like, I got warm my car for an hour. As you guys know, if y'all see my other channel, then y'all know how slow my sister eat.
We right. I don't eat that slow.
She eats slow. I ran out of ranch. Very slow.
No.
I used to be like, what is you doing?
I'm full.
Those are good.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to make these at the house.
And then those mini ones were perfect. We had small quesadillas instead of the large ones. Those made it perfect size because we didn't have to end up cutting. Next time, you laughing at me? Cause it's about to go up my nose. Next time I'm gonna add some green onions and chives
Yeah.
and have some sour cream with it.
Oh yeah. Now that's gonna be really good.
Oh my god, just that idea. Quesadilla and the potato skins.
Oh yeah.
I used to make them all the time. Man,
Potato skins. I never made them.
so good. TGI Friday in the box, theirs is good too.
Yeah.
And the ones at Food Line. In their little meat section.
I never had those.
They put that little bacon and cheese on. You get them suckers home, you put that dollop of sour cream in the middle. Oh yeah. My elbows ashy. Well, they don't look that ashy, do they? I can't tell. Comment down below if anybody ever used a neti pot. She's scared to do it. A neti pot is really not that scary. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below. And we will see you guys
Next time.
next time.
Ooh. Bye,
That was
guys.
a great outro, Bert. Bye, guys.